Alright guys, this is Hey Dad 24. Alright guys, it's me, Hey Dad 24 here. I'm back with part 2 because somehow the last video ended, I guess, when I was trying to, I don't know. I'm gonna do some smoke bombs, guys. Two-way sparkler?
Look.
Guys, look at what my dad's doing. Wait, how's it actually flinging?
It's throwing the metal. Magnesium in there.
It's actually supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Whoa. Bro, when you do that, it looks like you're in a super bright day. Whoa. I keep hearing those. Someone else is lighting off fireworks.
I'm going to put another one of your...
These things?
Or fountain.
I'll do that after the smokes. That is an airplane.
Look at this.
Oh, that's cool. Bro, you're... Whoa, it's actually a full-on perfect circle. We're gonna light them all at the same time. What? Was it still burning? Huh?
Luckily. Where's your pump?
It's over there on the steps.
Go get it.
We need to put all the green stuff together.
Well, I can't even see what colors they are in the dark. And you need to keep all your trash picked up.
What'd you say, Dad?
I said you need to keep all your trash picked up.
Okay. I got the pump. Oh, I see the colors.
Here, just light one of those. They'll all light. Okay, thank you.
There we go. That one's already smoking.
Give me your pump. It's rolling towards you.
Ow! Ow! It got me! Ow! That hurt! You're like, give me your punk. It's rolling towards me.
Those were fast.
Yeah, those go by fast. We got smokes, guys. I can tell this one's blue, that one's yellow. This one's like white, purple. Dad! Yeah, guys, I got right somewhere in the middle. That's where I got hit by.
This is how we get rid of the food.
This is how we get rid of them.
Here. Get us some fountains.
Fountains?
Yeah. Sorry. Oh.
Is that...
Two spots where it got big fucking holes.
Yeah, I heard. Dad almost just broke his whole ankle. I'm gonna light two.
Nice. That's the last two. I'd say one.
Yeah, say one.
Which one?
White one.
Yellow or blue?
Blue.
Like, which one to save?
Blue.
Blue.
Okay.
Here, hey, this one too.
What? Oh, not that yet. I'm not ready for that. Look, see, Dad.